Here I'm going to explain about a trade cycle, which is also known as a business cycle or an economic cycle. Those terms are used interchangeably. This is what happens in economies around the world. First, I'll explain what this actually is, and then in the next video, I'll explain what might cause there to be downturns in an economy. An economic cycle looks something like this, and you're looking at real output over time. Sometimes your real output's going up, then it will fall again. Then it will go up again, then it will fall again. And these points that I've marked here have different names for what will be happening in an economy. If you hear about an economy being in a boom, that means that real output has been going up and up and up, and really you've possibly reached the peak here before, as you can see, real output will start going down. When we're in a boom, we have high employment, incomes go up, tax revenue goes up, and this is, for example, what happened just before the financial crisis. Up until about 2000, 2007, 2008, the UK was in a boom. You have high economic growth. If you've been in a boom, but then things might start slowing down, and you can see in this point here that actually real output is starting to fall, and this would be called a slowdown. You can see here that as output starts going down, this will mean that some people lose their jobs and incomes might start falling. But at the moment, the economy is just slowing down. If it continues to slow down and we get down here, this is when we'd be in a recession. The official terminology for a recession, the definition, is 2 or more consecutive, that means immediately after each other, quarters of negative economic growth. Remember, a quarter is a quarter of a year, because a year is divided up between quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. That's used by economists and business people to explain about different times in the year. If you have a recession, you've got 2 or more consecutive quarters of negative economic growth. That means that output for 2 or more consecutive quarters is actually falling, and that's a recession. In a recession, we'd expect unemployment to go up. We'd expect incomes to go down. We'd expect tax revenue to go down. The final stage that you might be in after you've been in a recession is recovery. As you can see, this is where real output starts to increase again. Here, you'll find that there are more jobs being created, outputs going up, incomes are starting to go up, and tax revenues are starting to go up.